Hello everyone, my name is Ken. I'm 9 years old. I'm in grade 3. I study at grammar school. I live in Philippines. Now I am going to talk about talk about what plants need to grow. What plants need to grow. Now we're going to talk about what plants need to grow. And now we're going to talk about the six important things about what plants need to grow. If you want to have a good plant, you can do this with a plant. You can have to plant have the six things that the plants need: sunlight, air, water, space, and warmth. It is warmth and ground and soil. It is the thing that plants very need. Carry is the thing that plants needs too. Now we're going to talk about the vocabulary of what is the plants needs to grow and why it is help the plants to grow. Now we're going to the vocabulary. Number 1, sunlight. The sunlight from the sun is help plants to grow. Yes, this is the sunlight. The sunlight is the light from the sun. This and this is the light from the sun. This white thing is in the desk, and if you stand on that, you can have it is hot, and it is the sunlight. This is the light from the sun, and the light from the sun is can be you have a sun and you have a light. You put into this is sunlight. Sunlight. Here the sun, the light is from the sun. It's help the plant to grow. Yes, it's the light from the sun. Sunlight can help the plants too. Yes, sunlight is help the plants. And remember that sunlight is sometimes can help us a little. We an animal a little bit. People if you stand in the ground, do not have the sunlight, you can have the stress, you can very sad, and you very bored. And if you have sunlight, you can happy and very excited to play. And plants needed grow big and strong. So we learned about sunlight. Picture number 2 is air. Gases that surround the earth. We cannot see air, but it is everywhere. Yes, you cannot see air because it's too small. It's too much small. Air is everywhere. It is the glasses. You cannot see air, but it is everywhere. In your room, in every places you do. If you're standing on every place, are you sitting, are you sleeping, in the every other places, the air can be in here. If you can breathe in your places, this place is have air. Air helps me to breathe. And because air is the gases, and the gases is very small. It's too small. It's too much small. Too small. Very small. So you can see that. Cannot see that because your eyes do not see the thing that's very small. And air is the thing that is everywhere, surround the earth. Because it's around the earth, that is how many air, because it is everywhere. And now because air is the thing that it helps you breathe. It helps you live. It helps animals the lead thing to live. The life thing to live. The plants is the life things. So if it do not have air, the plant cannot grow. The plant can die. Can die right now because it do not have air. Animal and people can die very fast because it do not have air. Because it's like you do not breathe and you 2 minutes you can very tired and you can die. And because air is about very important for the life things. Now we go to page number 3. It's keep waters. Yes, water is very important too. The liquid that is essential for life. Water moves food to the parts of the plants. Yes, plants do not drink water. No. It's not people drink water by mouths. No, the plants use mother because the mother moves food to the part of the plant. And water is the liquid that is necessary for life. Water is the very soft and is the liquid, and it can go to every places and every places is go. And because water is a liquid, the water is the important that what you can use. And it is the necessary for life. You can see the liquid and the mother moves food to the part of the plants. Plants do not need water to drink. Plants do it, but the plants have root in it, and if you have water in it, the water can move food to the good part of the plants. And sometimes if the ground that very dry, it does not have water, the roots cannot have many minerals because it's too dry. In the hot grounds, the mineral is inside it, and it is very hard to crack it because it have water every day to the dirt to soft because it the minerals, the good foods can be go into the roots easy. It's not hot like the dry ground. And now we can see it is a difference of how plants need water and how people need water. Now we go to page number 4. Space is the area and the limit for use. It's like if there is space, a plant can grow big and strong. Yes, plants is the area available for use. Yes, it is available for use. Sometimes people say, why does plant need place? Hi. And because space, if there is space, the plants can grow big and strong. If there any space in the seed, you can think like the seed is like this. Oh, okay, it has space. And now it's too much space. If the tree grow bigger and bigger, the tree can hit to it because many trees grow very bigger and very big. So you have the big spaces. So this is space. The area available for use. If there is space, the plant can grow big and strong. Like if you go in a city, you have many people. It's hit to you. It is very uncomfortable for you. and because it's place can help the plant to grow big and strong, not small and not big and not strong. Space plants using like an air to make their output in the procedure called carry. Now we go to the desk. Carry. Take something from one place to another. Why? This look like a flower. It's not carry. The flower is about the part of the plant, and it can be a beetle or a butterfly. Go into the flower, and the butterfly have the flower look like the food, and the butterfly and the bees go to the other flower. The butterfly and the bees put the food into the other flower, and because it is carried. Carried to take something from one place to another. Yes, plants need carry. And is the process. Is the thing thing is something is carried and have it into the other flowers because the flower can have into the fruit. If it do not the thing help the flower to carry the pollens, the flower can do not have fruit. Because it carries very important for plants because it has fruit, and fruit is have seed. To take something from one place to another is carry. Like you put your clock, you put it in your hand, and you go to another place and you put it down in a different places. Is carry. Like if this an example for you is about you put this, the clock and this, you come to it, you put in another place, that new place. It is a different place because it is carried. You take something from one place to another. Ground. Now we go to picture of the ground. The earth and plants need. Now we're going to talk about the earth where plants live. Ground is about the thing that surrounded the earth. We have many grounds about the earth, and this is the thing where plants live. Ground is very good for plants because ground have some good thing help the plants. So plants need ground because ground is have many good minerals and it's have food for plants. And ground is the thing that surrounded the earth. It's have everywhere, but it's not everywhere. Where in the earth, inside the earth is have lava and begins, and it's a hot places. It did not have ground. Ground is just surrounded the earth, and if you go to desert, you can see the desert is no more plants and it has many sand. Sand is do not have the food for plants and do not have the water. The plants can go the plant water inside the plants to the sand, so the flower cannot have water. And if you go to Africa, you do not see sand and you do not see ground. You just see the ice and cold waters. So it is in Africa. Africa do not have ground. Desert do not have ground. Some places do not have ground. Earth is many and upground, but some places it do not have this. And now I go to the different. Soy, yes, soy is look like ground. It is another name of ground. Soil is where plants grow. Soil is the top part of the earth. Yes, soil and rock are sometimes different. Ground is if the thing that is look like the head or the heart. It is the thing that surround the earth. And soil, it is this. Soil is where plants grow. Soil is the top part of the earth. Yes, soil is where plants grow. Soil is the top part of the earth. Yes, like a top this ground. Soil and the earth is do not have many. It do not have all of the ground, all of the soil are in the earth. Sometimes it have water. Sometimes it have things that do not have soil. So earth can have different things. Some places it do not have ground and soil. And soil is where plants grow. Yes, because it have minerals. So the food out of the plant is solid. And soil is the top part of the earth. Yes, top part of the earth. It is about the thing that is many of the earth. Yes, many less of the earth. Many less of the earth. But it is not all of the earth are made by soil. Now we go to the picture number 5 finally pictures. Worms. Worms is the state of quality of being worms. Yes, worms is about the thing that is not cold, too cold, or not hot, hot. The worm is about the middle of cold and hot. It's the middle, and this is the quality of being goodest. What is the state of quality of being warm? It is about warm, and warm is about the middle of cold and hot. It is the goodest state, goodest quality. Worms. Why are plants need warm? People need warm. Animals need worms, and plants need worms. Worms have to the plants do not disappear by ice, and hot do not come to the plant to die. And worms is the thing that is the goodest, and plants can live big and strong there. And people can be put the thing into the plants, and some funny people say it is the cold clone of the plants in the winter or in the summer. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's fail. And people is put the thing that protects the plants to the plants to walls. It's not cold or it's not hot. People is put this by it because if you walk into the people into the city, you see this, you think it's the interesting thing, but it's not interesting thing. It's just the clothes of the plants. And because that, now you go finish with this. Now, 3 extra facts. Different plants need different amounts of water, sunlight, and place to grow well. This and this. Healthy soil with nutrients helps plants grow strong roots and stay healthy. Plants use sunlight and air to make their outputs enough for protect crops. As now we go to tree, vocabulary, and more and vocabulary to talk about what plants need to grow. Now we're going to talk about all of the plants. In lesson number 4, we talk about the different things. Now talk about plants. And now we are learning about all the plants. Now please subscribe and like my video. Now thank you for listening. Goodbye.